Arvin, last two conferences, you missed the playoffs. Siguro ngayon, you're coming in very determined na makasingit na kayo this time.
Yeah, that's a goal. Yun yung lagi nasa isip namin. Okay? First step namin towards the main goal, so for the championship. But yun yung stepping first goal namin this conference is to make the playoffs. Lalo na dalawang conferences na hindi kami nakapasok. Parang very doable naman eh. Sayang na could have been in the playoffs for two conferences. Pero medyo na short kami. So ngayon, medyo mas mabigat na yung dala namin. So hopefully, makapunta kami sa playoffs. It starts ngayon, yung araw. So we already have one win. For this year, we have seven na. So that's as much win as we can this year.